Welcome to Marinminds, the first yacht service provider making use of data-driven technology. With our service, yacht maintenance becomes easy and effortless. Let me show you how. As a luxury yacht owner, you want the yacht ready for departure whenever needed. So if an issue arises on board your yacht, you want it to be solved immediately. Depending on traditional yacht service suppliers, it can take hours, even up to days before a service engineer can physically be on board and fix the problem. Instead, with Digital Yacht Crew by Marinminds, we instantly assist you and solve issues immediately. By monitoring data from all systems on board your yacht, we detect issues and potential problems in an early stage. When an issue arises, our experts examine its root cause and are able to remotely troubleshoot. When possible, we solve the problem remotely or coordinate the solution directly, either with your preferred yacht supplier or making use of our extensive network. All you need is our connected hub on board your yacht, a small device which is installed in a couple of hours. Once connected, it directly collects data used by our experts to monitor your yacht. Regardless of whether it's an existing yacht or new to be built, you can take advantage of our high-level service. Digital Yacht Crew by Marinminds provides many benefits. Experience comfort by viewing real-time status and receive essential alerts. Never miss an opportunity to enjoy the sea because we solve issues before they become a problem. And, whenever needed, you are in direct contact with your personal yacht manager. That's how we ensure peace of mind and a healthy yacht. Ready for maximum enjoyment of your yacht? Contact us, fill in a form on our website, or give us a call. We will be happy to assist you. Take it from me, it's an awesome service.